In this video, I'll show you guys how to get Canva Invite Pro team link. But if this video do help, make sure you subscribe and like and watch this video to the end, as it will help me a ton. So first thing you want to do is just go to the Canva website, and once you're here, it's going to bring you to this page where you'll have to sign up or log in. If you already have an account, just click sign in. If you don't, just click on sign up. You can sign up with your email or Google, but I prefer Google. Now once you're here, it's going to show you these templates where you can use. This is mainly used for YouTube thumbnails or like other stuff. Now what you want to do is just click on your profile on the bottom, click on it, and click on create team. Once you're here, it's going to say enjoy your powerful collaboration as a team. Now what you want to do is, if you want to invite people, all you have to do is just put in their email. Now once you have their email in, you can just add more email, then click on start my team's free trial. Once you start it, you can now invite your whole team. If this video do help, make sure you subscribe and like.